Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yours through the Forex Juggernaut. Once again, guys, I'm back with another market breakdown video. This week we're gonna be looking at GBPNZD, and this is a high probability setup that I'm actually providing for you guys. I wish that you can actually be monitoring this pair and see how it moves. But before we continue and go any further, guys, if you are new to this video, to this channel actually, I'm giving you 5 seconds just to take your time, like, subscribe, and even comment. If you see a buy, you can say buy. If you see sell, you can say sell. If you have anything in your mind to comment about this video, just comment. Just spread positive energy, and just that's it. Remember, the more you actually like, the more you subscribe, the more you actually share the videos, you actually allow us to reach more people. And that's what I want us to do with these videos: reach more people, new traders who are new into trading, who want actually to learn, who wants to see trading ideas. So first of all, guys, what I would love to do is to actually review um the trade that I shared with you last week. Actually, the setup that I shared with you last week, it is still very valid, very valid. So this is the daily time frame. Let's just go to the 4-hour time frame. So last week when I shared with you guys, the trade was right about okay, I'm using the wrong tool. The trade was right about here, and we were expecting the market to actually break below this zone, and then after take the retest. That you can see, I took this trade very nicely. It came on a Thursday. Yeah, it came on actually came yeah, it came on a Thursday. We took this trade on Thursday, and we had to exit it early on Friday because we don't want to hold it over the weekend. But now again, guys, this trade is still valid. Um, this trade is still valid, and how I'm approaching this trade, I cannot take trades now. It's a Monday. It's part of my routine. I've just realized in my trading that Mondays for me are one of the worst days, so I try to avoid my Mondays. I actually stay out of the market and come back later to actually do market breakdown videos. So I've learned that on a Monday I should just allow the candlesticks to actually close and give me direction, especially the daily candlestick. So with my Fibonacci retracement here tool, we can already see that we are currently inside this zone, which is the 50% level and the 0.61 level. So it is actually respecting the zone. So I'm actually expecting this level, the market to actually pull back. Let's switch to the 1 hour. I'm expecting the market to pull back maybe for the last time. On the Tuesday, pull back a little bit, then I'll be able to take my sell to the downside. So we are still very in this trade. We are still in this trade. EURNZD last week went as we actually predicted it. So even this week we are looking to get some more pips. As you guys can see, we still have how many pips? More like 400 pips to the downside. So the first take profit is this level, second take profit is this level. So tomorrow I'll be looking for entries. You can enter with me if you see a sell as well. Understand? Because I don't want people coming to my channel saying it's your fault that I lost my money. No, every time you lose your money in trading, it's your fault. You can't blame anyone. You don't have a boss. You are your own boss. You make decisions yourself. So that's it, guys. But then let's go back to the trade of the day, the market breakdown of the week. It's actually for the week. So let's start on the monthly time frame. So looking at the monthly time frame, what do you see? I don't want to analyze the other data. It's going to take more time. So let's just start on the monthly time frame. What do we see? I can see this level, that highest point there of the week. If I connect it with this level, and it gives us the dead touch of this trend line. You can see that from this level, the market pushed significantly to the downside. It came up, pushed to the downside. Then, if you use trend line, you know that in order for your trend line to be considered strong, you at least need 3 touches or 4. So we got the dead touch here on the monthly time frame. That should be very strong, and it actually pushed to the downside. So we formed our basis for actually looking for sales in this market because of this dead touch on the monthly time frame. So now we go to the weekly time frame. What do you have on the weekly time frame? Let me adjust. Remember guys, I don't want to have many lines on my chart, so you need to have that trend line, that weekly perspective, that monthly perspective, I mean, on your head, like it must be there. So looking at current market price, I realize that it's on a zone, and it's on a key level, so you have this key level around about this place, excuse me, around about this area. You have a key level. So number one, we have that the touch of that trend line. Number two, we have this key level on the weekly. As you can see right about here, market price supported significantly and pushed higher. Then it came back, break below, retest that key area, and shoot to the downside. The weeks came and passed, and then what did we have? Finally came back to this zone again, and the market reversed significantly, so pushed to the downside, pushed up again, resistance, pushed to the downside. You can see here what happened. The market was very choppy, but then we did see signs that still here were a lot of sellers that were willing to push price down, but because of the high momentum in selling, maybe it could have been used because you see the weeks here. You see it was in 2020, so this was during COVID-19. So you can understand why you have this strong week going to the upside, even um, being choppy in this key level. So, but still it was supporting. Let me just zoom. But still it was respecting, even though it was choppy. It was respecting, as you can see here. The market pushed down, came back up, found support here, but finally broke to the downside and retested a continuation again. So this is a strong zone, and it came back again in 2022. The market still find what? Resistance, push to the downside, resistance, finally broke out, push up, and now we're in 2023. And guess what, guys? Finally, somehow, price managed to actually break below this zone. It managed to break below this zone, and that's where we're gonna be taking our trade from. So I would like to just take out this zone and actually update it based on the current market price, something that will make much sense. So we're gonna have something like this. We're gonna have this as our zone, something clean, something nice. We're gonna have this as our zone. You can see here that the market resisted, pushed up, came back, support, pushed up, came back, support, but the buys were not strong. As you can see, the selling momentum pushed below, and now that's where we're going to be taking our trade. You know that when you are below a support, below a key level, what you're looking for is for sales. If you're above the key level, what you're looking for is the buys based on your strategy. So I would like to also draw my trend line from this level to up there, and I can see that that trend line was broken with strong sell momentums. We can also draw it like that, have that trim there. So we go down to the 4-hour, where we'll be looking for entries. Actually, this trade is playing out nicely, very, very nice, because as you can see, this trade is playing out nicely based on this key level that we've driven from the weekly, daily, and now we're on the 4-hour time frame. Because remember, we're not going to be trading those higher time frames, but we are trying to find a relationship with the lower time frames that they provide to us and give us our buyers and direction in the market. So now what do we have? We have this zone. I want us to focus more on this zone. So after the zone, what we're expecting is a breakout and a retest of this zone. Then we're taking ourselves to the downside. We're taking our trades to the downside. Our first profit target will be this level here. Then our second, then our overall profit target for this week will be down there. So just I like making them zones. So I'll put a zone right here. Okay, I'll put a zone there, and also I'll copy this zone and just bring it down to this level. So this is what we're looking at this week to take sells on GBPNZD based on this breakout retest and continuation to the downside. Continuation to the downside. This is about how many pips? Let me check. This is like 400 pips. 400 pips. So let's just wait and see. Obviously, I'm waiting for the daily candlestick to close. The close of the daily candlestick. As you can see, this candlestick, I want it to close. Then I can see if I will get a little push above, then push higher, above a little push higher. Then I'll be looking for my sales. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just encourage me, guys, like, subscribe, comment, and let's grow together. Let's grow together. And yeah, guys, peace out, guys.